Okay, we are ready to make our clay mushrooms. So, kids, don't use the knife. Have your parents help you. But you want to cut. I like using white air dry modeling clay. There's all sorts of air dry clay out there. There's terracotta color, but I kind of like the white because then it's easier to paint what colors you want. So what you want to do is first we're going to make this, the base, the stem of the mushroom. And there's all sorts of mushrooms shapes that you can make. Here's a photo. So I have a chunk. So what you want to do is work it into it like a log. And I probably have too much, but that's when you can figure it out. Okay, so roll it into a log. I'm going to do a shorty. So I'm going to pinch my bottom. Like that. So that's looking really good. Now I need to make a cap. See how easy that was? Another piece of clay, and I might need a little bit more than that. It all depends. Maybe not, we'll see. So we work with it, roll it, make it soft. Okay, so I would suggest making a ball this time. And then just squish it with your thumb. So you kind of get the idea on how to do this. Smooth it out. And ta-da! You have a mushroom.